7 ways to start a conversation with anyone. 1. Ask for help or information. Example. Do you know where I could pick up a workshop schedule? Now that you've got the conversation started, just remember to be interested in the other person, find common ground, and ask follow-up questions. 2. Note that you're in this together. Example. These parties are always so awkward, aren't they? Everybody's supposed to network, no pressure. When circumstances aren't ideal, acknowledging a shared experience can soften the edge and get a conversation going. Be careful using this technique. Do your best to remain neutral. 3. Notice something nice. Example. That was a productive meeting. I feel like we generated some solid ideas. The opposite of the "we're in this together" conversation starter is noticing something pleasant. A positive approach can get a conversation off to the right start. We tend to like upbeat people who draw our attention to good things. 4. Pay a compliment. Example. I really like your hair. The cut suits you. Giving someone a compliment can liven their day and boost their confidence. You can pick something about the person you like and mention why you like it. There are several follow-up questions you can ask to keep the conversation going, such as where they go to get their hair cut or how they chose the style. 5. Ask an opinion. Example. What did you think of the keynote presentation? We all want to feel like our opinions matter. Asking for someone's opinion shows that you're interested in them and their gots. Stick to topics that are immediately relevant. 6. Look for common ground. Example. How long have you been in the marketing business? This one's easiest if you know you're at a function where everyone's likely to have a similar background. When you bring up what you have in common, you make an instant connection that will lead to more things to talk about. 7. Offer help. Example. Looks like you have a lot to carry. Do you need a hand? There's no better way to show that you're a nice, approachable person than to be helpful. If you find yourself in a situation where you can lend a hand, go ahead and do it.